Hi, sixth grade students. This is Mr. Alford, and I am making this video to help you with, this is homework number 6, statistics review. So I'm going to go over some of the most commonly missed problems. We need to talk a little bit about the median. You guys are doing great with mean, and you're doing great with mode, and you're doing great with range, but we're still struggling with median. So let's talk about that. Median is the middle number. Step 1 is we order our numbers from least to greatest. Step 2 is we cross out two numbers, one from the left and one from the right. Step 3 is we repeat step 2 until you get to the number in the middle. So here's my example right here. All these numbers, step 1 is order the numbers. Okay, so least to greatest, 1 is the smallest, and then 2 is the next smallest, then 3, and 6, then 8, then 9, then 12, then 17, then 22. That was a mistake. 12, 17, 22, 33, and 44. Let me just check that I have them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there are 11 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, I'm forgetting one. Let's see. All right, I'm forgetting the 9. My bad. I see what I did. So 9, there. Now I have 11 numbers. So all my numbers are in order. Good. I need to do step 2. Cross out the two numbers, one from the left and one from the right. Okay? So here's the one number from the left. Cross that out. One number from the right. So I crossed out two numbers, one from the left and one from the right. Step 3 is I repeat step 2 until I get to the number in the middle. All right, so step 2 again. Cross out two numbers, one from the left and one from the right. Again, one from the left and one from the right. One from the left and one from the right. Always two numbers I cross out. One from the left and one from the right. All right, I have just one number in the middle, so that is my median. Awesome. So my median here is 9. Cool. There is there's another median problem in this homework assignment that actually has sometimes median is a tiny bit more complicated than these 3 steps. Sometimes that happens. I explained, or what I recommend is right now, to make sure that you totally, completely understand median, I would go back to the instructions for homework number 6, and I would watch the very first help video, because in that help video, I explain how to take care of how to do any kind and every kind of median problem. So I would go back here and watch this video completely. That way you should be totally good on finding the median. All right, that is it. Good luck, guys. Email me or call me if you have anything, if you need anything.